This German potato salad with beer dressing is the perfect large barbecue picnic dish. Try it out now with the help of this recipe. Slice the small red potatoes into cubes, then prepare a pot with water, heated over medium heat. Boil the potatoes until tender, remove from the heat, drain, then set aside. In a medium-sized pan, fry slices of bacon until crispy. Drain well, then chop the bacon before placing in a mixing bowl. Add in the chopped red onion, celery ribs, salt, and ground black pepper to taste. Toss to combine, then set aside. In a small saucepan, add the unsalted butter and melt, then add the all-purpose flour and stir to make a roux. Add in the dry mustard and granulated sugar, then stir briefly. Slowly pour in the beer and add the Tabasco sauce. Stir and bring to a boil. Add in the potatoes and bacon mixture, then toss gently to combine. Garnish with chopped parsley and serve. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.